Hey there, my name is Jimol Toralino, and I am an AI automation specialist. I help businesses and creators save hours every week by automating repetitive workflows using tools like Make.com, Zapier, N8N, etc. Whether it's automating client follow-ups, syncing data between Google Sheets, Gmail, and Notion, Slacks, or anything that can connect within its AI, I design automation that works for you. So my goal is to make your system smarter, faster, and scalable so you can focus on growth instead of admin work. So if you're ready to streamline your workflow or explore what AI automation can do for your business, so let's connect and discuss how we can make it happen. So thanks for watching and I look forward to working with you. Thank you so much.